Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. Students, today we will practice unit number 8, which is about perimeter and area. So in this unit we will practice exercise number 2, exercise number 3. But first of all, I am telling you what is a perimeter and what is a area. For example, I have a shape here. This is a shape, and in this shape it is said to be square. Why it is said to be square? It has equal lengths of 4 equal lengths. So that's why it is called square. If we want to find out the area of this shape, we will have to find out the middle region of these 4 boundaries. अगर हम इस 4 boundaries के अंदर वाली जगह को मालूम करें, it is called an area. But if we want to find out the perimeter, we will find out the complete measurement of these borders. So the outermost borders of a shape, if we add them and it gives the answer of some measurement, then it is called a perimeter. So students, in your exercise number 2 and 3, it is also here to find out the perimeter. So in your exercise number 2, you have given just a shapes here with the measurements like this: 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. If you have given these boundary measurements, now we have to total these measurements so that we have to find the perimeter. So right here, perimeter is equal to 2 centimeter, this, then again 2 centimeter, this, then again 4 centimeter, then again 3 centimeter, then again 6 centimeter. These are all the measurements of this shape, and we have to add them. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 6 17. So that's why 17 is the perimeter of this shape. Okay student, I hope you will understand it. And now if we want to calculate the perimeter without a shape, you have just given the measurements of 2 sides and you have to find out the perimeter. So in exercise number 3, you have to find out the perimeter, and you have given the question like this: length is equal to 7 centimeter and breadth is equal to 6 centimeter. So students, if you have given the length and breadth of any shape, it means the shape is rectangle, not a square, because the square is a shape which has all equal sides. It has only the length. But if you have given also a breadth here, it means we have given the diagram of rectangle. So in this exercise we will discuss about the perimeter of a rectangle. So the shortest length are these 2 equal length and these 2 equal length. They have given the breadth here, these are the breadth, it is called 6 centimeter, and these are the length of theirs, so it is called 7 centimeter. Now we have find out the measurements of this rectangle. Now if we want to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, what is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? There is a specific formula to find the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. It means we have to add length and breadth, but they are 2 times, so that's why we have to multiply it with 2. So 2 is here, length is 7 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. We have to add them firstly. If we add them, the answer is 13 centimeter. And this bracket means, and this 2 means, we have to multiply with 13, because there is no sign here, no plus, no minus here, so that's why we have to multiply it. When we multiply 13 with 2, the answer is 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 226. So this is the perimeter of a rectangle. Same like this students, you will practice these exercise. I will mention you some questions to solve them. Okay, goodbye.